Hello dear friends, today I am going to prepare a simple and delicious appetizing sandwiches that are suitable for a quick snack, for breakfast and for a festive table. Guests will be delighted. Follow my recipe and you will learn how to easily and quickly prepare perfect sandwiches with juicy and tasty fillings that are quite hearty and healthy. Sandwiches are popular because they are easy to make and not expensive. Let's get started. So we will need baguette 1 piece, eggs 3 pieces, smoked cheese 200 grams, sardines 1 can, mayonnaise 3 tablespoons, garlic 3 cloves, salt to taste, pepper to taste, fresh cucumber 1 piece, a bunch of greens, parsley or dill. While I'm chopping the other ingredients, I'll boil the eggs. And I will immediately cut a French baguette. The link for cooking can be seen on the screen in the upper right corner, as well as on the left in the description of the video. I put the sliced baguette on a baking sheet and send a little baked in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius mode top-bottom. It depends on your oven. My oven was not preheated, so it took 10 minutes. The main thing is not to forget them, otherwise they can burn. Boiled eggs should be cooled and peeled. Then I grate them with a fine grater. I also grate smoked cheese. Then open a can of fish, make sure to drain the liquid, knead it with a fork. Then put it through a press or chop the garlic finely, chop the greens. In a separate bowl, I put all the products and mix. Add mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. At the end of the brown slices of baguette, I spread a thin layer of mayonnaise to keep the paste well and apply the cooked paste. And decorate with a slice of cucumber. Thank you for joining me in making these delicious sandwiches. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and found some new appetizer ideas for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like and share this video with your friends. Leave your comments, it's important for me to know how you did and what recipes you'd like to see in the future. Click the bell so you don't miss any of my new delicious ideas. See you soon and enjoy!